smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Morning. That's okay.
So,
That's apps for you. Okay, yep. Oh. There's a co-op. There we are, start of day 5. Just stopping off at the local co-op to get some lunch and a bit of breakfast. Not paying $11.95 for a breakfast in a hotel. Yeah, today's supposed to be a little bit hotter. Yesterday was nice weather, very good cycling weather, but today, yeah, we'll just see where the rest of the day takes us. No. Farnham Town Council. A godsend in the morning. This is not a gated community, but it might as well be. Absolutely nothing on the road. It's feeding your little one.
yeah. You can put that.
There. This must be a very popular route for horses. All we've seen is just fresh poo, fresh poo. You're some very young ones, aren't you? Eh? Walking across this lovely bridge and this beautiful shallow river. Wow, the first mud we've seen on this. Oh, another quiet road through a forested area. As soon as I say quiet, a car comes along. You come up to a ford. Oh yes, don't often get a ford when you're cycling. I'm going to go on the bridge, I think. I don't know how deep it is. Just look at the different colour green of the green and the fairway. This is what we've come through today. And then up that sandy hill. Had to push the bike. I'm pushing my bike There's no way I can cycle up this. It's just loose rock and sand going up a hill. I can't do that. Here we are at National Trust, Devils Punchbowl, which is down there. And those are the woods we've been cycling through. Entering an MOD training area. Do not touch any military debris. Okay. Oh, cool, shaded lane. Nobody on it. Going downhill. Absolutely brilliant. Comfort, it's a library. Oh, a log. Yes. Yeah. We have been following this for a while. Shipwright's Way. Longmoor Military Training Area. Public access subject to own risk. Okay. Okay.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.